This is The Startup, the channel for business, entrepreneurship, and self-development. And in this video, we're going to cover how to make your first 100K quickly. I'm here to share with you some of the tips and tricks that helped me and countless others achieve financial success. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck, or maybe even struggling to make ends meet? If so, then keep watching because this video is for you. First and foremost, you need to sell a unique product or service. I find that it's actually easier to reach the 100K milestone selling just one type of product or service to one type of target customer. But in order to figure out what product or service to sell, I strongly recommend you figure out what your skills and passions are, or what's your competitive advantage. What thing are you better at than others? This will help you narrow down what to choose. Ask yourself, what are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? These are the things that you can turn into a profitable business or career. Now, selling a unique product is a key factor in making your first 100K. Imagine you're looking for a place to stay when you're booking a holiday, and you see two different options. One's a regular hotel that you can find anywhere, and the other's a unique Airbnb that offers really cool amenities and services. Which one would you choose to stay in? I bet you choose the cool unique Airbnb because it's different and offers more features, right? The same goes for business. If you have a product that offers something special and different from the competition, people want to buy from you. Think about it. If you come up with a unique product that no one else has, people will be curious and want to try it. And if they love it, they're going to come back for more and tell their friends about it, and the hype grows from there. The issue that I see too often is people say they don't know what their competitive advantage is. I usually hear, I'm not good at anything. But what I'd say to those people is get good at something. If you can't be bothered to learn and stick to one thing, anything, whether it be copywriting, SEO, any service, or learning e-com, then you have no place and don't deserve to make your first 100K. You need to offer some kind of value to get rewarded. So find your competitive advantage and the thing that you're good at and then monetize it. I just want to mention, when identifying a need in the market, don't be afraid to think outside the box. Often the most successful businesses solve problems in new and innovative ways. Research your competition, but don't get discouraged if there's already established players in the market. Instead, focus on finding ways to differentiate your product or service and offer unique value to your customers. When validating your idea, don't just rely on data and survey. Get hands-on experience by testing your product or service with a small group of customers. This will give you valuable feedback that you can use to refine and improve your offering. Be open to feedback. Don't be afraid to pivot your idea if you find that it's not resonating with your target market. Flexibility and adaptability are key traits of successful entrepreneurs. The problem that I see is that most new entrepreneurs seem surprised when their service doesn't do well, especially considering that they're selling nothing different to the competition that's already out there. So it's up to you to figure out what makes you different in your specific market. Next tip, use social media. Social media is a powerful tool that can help you reach a massive audience and promote your business. Whether it's Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, there's a variety of platforms and you can use that to connect to your specific customers. Make sure you use eye-catching visuals and engaging content to grab their attention. Let's say you have an online store that sells stuffed animal toys. You can use social media to show off your stuffed animal toys and reach millions of people who love cute and fluffy things. By posting pictures and videos and info about your product, you can attract people who want to buy them. And if they love your product, they're going to tell their friends and then their friends, and then your business will grow from there. Social media is also a great way to interact with your customers and get feedback. You can ask your followers what they like, what they don't like, what they want to see more of, and what they think of your product. By listening to your customers, you can reiterate and improve your product. Also, when building your brand, you have to consider the emotions that you want your customers to associate with your business. Do you want to be seen as fun and playful or professional and trustworthy? Your brand personality plays a big role in attracting and keeping customers. So make sure that your branding is consistent across all platforms, from your website, social media, and so on. And this means people will remember who you are when they recognize the same branding. And that builds trust with your audience. Next tip is to surround yourself with the right people. Seek out mentors, advisors, or people that have achieved the success that you're looking for. They can provide you with valuable guidance and help you avoid the common mistakes that can slow down your progress. Also, surround yourself with like-minded individuals who share your goals and aspirations. See, being a part of a supportive community not only helps you stay motivated, but also opens up new opportunities that you may not have had. Networking is key to building relationships and finding new opportunities. Don't just attend events and hand out your business cards. Make sure to have genuine conversations, ask questions, and listen to what others have to say. You never know where your next big opportunity might come from. And don't be afraid to ask for help, whether it's from a mentor or business associate. Surrounding yourself with a supportive network of people who have your back is very helpful. Next tip is collaborate with influencers. This can help you reach a wider audience and promote your product or service. Find influencers who align with your brand and work with them to create content to promote your business. You can reach all of their followers and show them your business. Let's say you have an online store that sells cool, trendy clothes. You can collaborate with an influencer who has lots of followers who are into fashion. By having an influencer wear and promote your clothes, you can reach all of their followers and show them how cool and trendy your clothes are. And if they love your clothes, they're going to want to buy them and tell their friends about it. Influencer collaboration is a great way to reach a large and engaged audience. It's like marketing on steroids when you get the right collaboration. Just remember to work with influencers who have followers who are interested in your products and services and who align with your brand values. Because the problem that I see too often is business owners collaborate with the wrong type of influencer who doesn't have enough engagement or the wrong kind of demographic audience. So just make sure you do your due diligence to choose the right person to collaborate. The next tip is to offer a loyalty program. Creating this program can help you keep your customers and encourage repeat business. You can offer incentives like discounts or exclusive access to new products and services just to keep your customers coming back. Think of the loyalty program like a special private members club for your customers. And every time they buy from your business, they get a special treat. Let's say you have an online store that sells healthy snacks. Every time a customer buys a snack, they get a free healthy shake or a discount on their next purchase. The loyalty program is a great way to show your customers that you appreciate them and that you value their business. And as always, if they love your products, they're going to tell their friends about it, and that will just grow your business more. The next tip is to focus on customer service. Back to our online store example earlier that sells cool, trendy clothes, we spoke about promoting your brand, but you also need to be there for your customers. Focusing on customer service gives your customers faith in your brand and builds trust with them long term. You'll show your customers that you're serious about your business and that you're committed to making it a success. And if they see that you're always there for them, they're going to keep buying from you. So, making your first 100K is one of the most life-changing moments and proves your business concept works. The next step is to make your first million, and that's when things get really exciting. But I'll talk about that in another video. Speaking of which, if you like what you see, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. If you have any further questions, put them in the comments below.